Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
The f are you doing, you f idiot? Where did you learn how to drive? You're on camera, bud. You're on camera.
It's parole. Okay, parole. Okay, but let us do what we gotta do. You don't gotta aggravate the situation. So, just so you know, we got another officer, 2 officers.
Yeah, good talk. Alright? Trying to not cause any problems right now?
You know what? I'm gonna call a cop.
Is this mother?
He said it's not his mother. I don't know these people. I don't know these people.
Both parents were not in a very good mood, and the officers had to calm them down.
He's talking about your friend's stuff.
What the fuck? Jeez.
You're going the wrong way down a one-way street. You need to turn around. It's a one-way street. It's one way. It's one-way street, dumbass. I'm not getting out of your way.
Follow this guy.
See where it says Zoo Health Club? Right next to that.
Uh-oh. He just lost a tire.
Oh.
He literally lost his tire.
It almost hit that other car.
Uh-huh.
Online at airserve.com. It's AIRESERE. Escape everyday life and head up over the Giants reach this golf season. Ranked by Golf Digest as one of the courses in the Midwest. Play 36 holes. Just weekends, 36 holes and the best golf in the state in one great location. Book your tee time at GiantsRidge.com. Escape up north. Plus school supplies. Plus electronic.
Más tranquilito, más normal, ajá. Pero... Uy.
Please say it.
But then you look for, when's the next available appointment time to go. Jesus. What the? Everybody him to go. Jesus. What the? Everybody's dead stopped on the 202. Oh shit! Holy shit! Oh my god.
the kids today that are growing up. I think a lot of millennials, age 35 to 40, they're having to move back home with their parents because things are so expensive. There's a lot of people that are retired that, they work their whole lives, and then now, because of inflation, they can't even afford to work and all that sort of stuff. So for anybody here that's kind of adopting, tell me what I gotta do, I'll do it. What the f is wrong with you?
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.